Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print inventory ABC analysis report. ABC analysis report for Odoo is a professional inventory classification and decision support module designed for inventory manager, warehouse manager and finance team. This module built in Odoo inventory and classifies stock items into A means high value, B medium and C means low value. Category using the industry analysis method based on inventory consumption. So let's see about that. You can see here a module Dev Inventory ABC Analysis Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory app, go to reporting menu and see here this inventory ABC analysis. Now click on. Select here start date to end date. Add your company. Configure here warehouse and location. Available filters by product and by category. So select here product. And category is the goods. And available here ABC classification settings. Analysis by consumption value or by quantity iPhone consumption value. And class A 7000 and class B for 9000. Here available three options on review report, print in PDF format and print Excel. First I want to print in PDF format. And see here your printed report in PDF format. Above display here date range, company name, warehouse and location. And selected all products with threshold class A and class B. So display here classification summary. Class A for 65,000. So class A for total 2 items. Display with value and total in percentage. Class B and class C. And below display here in details. Class A in available watch and laptop bag. Class B for shoes and class C for books. Available with category quantity, value, with percentage and consumable by, on hand and stock value. Also define or classification here for class A in which value is defined. Now I want to print in Excel format. Display here with all details with apply filter. Classification summary for A, B and C with items value and total in percentage. In details product, watch, laptop bag, shoes and book. These two watch and laptop bag is available for class A, class B for shoes and class C for books. Based on this consumative percentage. Now I want to view report. Class wise display here product. Also viewing pivot view. So this helps Odoo users prioritize inventory control, analysis by consumer value or by quantity, configure ABC threshold and provide flexible filters. So if you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.